Dinner is ready, Zoya.
What are we having?
Chicken, rice, and broccoli.
I don't like broccoli.
It is good for your body.
I want chicken nuggets.
Zoya, please try the broccoli.
No, thank you. It looks yucky.
You did not try it yet.
I don't want to try it.
Then what do you want to eat?
Chicken nuggets and fries.
We can't eat that every day.
But it tastes good.
Other foods taste good too.
Not green food. I am not hungry now.
She ate very little.
I know. I am worried.
She only wants nuggets and fries.
She needs fruits and vegetables.
What can we do?
Maybe we can make it fun. I have an idea. A rainbow plate challenge.
A rainbow plate?
Yes, food with many colors.
That sounds fun.
Let's try it tomorrow.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetie. I have a fun idea.
What idea?
A rainbow challenge.
A rainbow?
Yes, with food.
I don't understand.
Do you like rainbows?
Yes, they are very pretty.
How many colors are in a rainbow?
7 colors?
That's right. Food has colors too.
What colors?
Strawberries are red.
I like strawberries.
Carrots are orange. Bananas are yellow.
I love bananas.
Broccoli is green.
Oh no, broccoli again.
Blueberries are blue.
I never tried them.
They are sweet, like candy.
Interesting.
Here is the challenge. Eat rainbow colors every day for 1 week.
What do I get?
You get a special prize.
What prize?
It's a surprise. Let's make a chart with all the colors.
Like a poster?
Exactly. You can decorate it with stickers.
That sounds fun!
When you eat a color, you put a sticker on the chart.
Cool!
Good morning, you two.
Dad, we are making a rainbow food chart.
That sounds exciting. What colors do we need?
Red, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, and purple.
I will get the markers.
I will get the paper.
What red foods do we know?
Tomatoes, strawberries, and apples.
What about orange foods?
Carrots and oranges.
Sweet potatoes are orange too.
Yellow is easy. Bananas and corn.
And pineapple.
Now, let's think about green foods.
Do I have to?
Just think about it, sweetie.
Lettuce?
Yes, good job.
Cucumbers are green too.
I tried those before. They were crunchy.
What about blue and purple?
Blueberries.
Our chart looks great.
Today is day 1 of the challenge.
I'm ready.
What color should we start with?
Red.
What red food do you want today?
Strawberries for breakfast?
Great choice.
Can I wash them?
Yes, but be careful.
How many do you want?
5 strawberries. They are so red. I'm eating them now.
How do they taste?
Sweet and juicy. Can I get my sticker now?
Yes. Which one?
The red star.
Put it on the chart.
Right here. What's for lunch?
Sandwiches and carrot sticks.
Carrots are orange for my challenge.
Yes, they are.
The carrots are crunchy.
Do you like them?
They're not bad. Can I have more?
Yes, you earned another sticker.
The orange circle.
Dinner time, Zoya.
What are we eating?
Chicken, rice, and corn.
Corn is yellow.
You remembered.
3 colors today.
You are doing very well.
This challenge is easy.
Let's see tomorrow.
Why? What's tomorrow?
Green Day.
Oh no.
You can do it.
I will try my best. 3 stickers today. Good morning. Is today Green Day?
Yes, if you want it to be.
I feel nervous. Green foods are scary.
Let's make it fun.
We will cook together.
You can choose the food.
What green foods are there again?
Broccoli, cucumbers, and lettuce.
Maybe cucumbers.
That's a good choice.
Let's wash the cucumber.
It's very green.
Let's cut it and see inside.
Can I help cut it?
I will guide your hand.
It's light green inside.
Yes, 2 shades of green.
Cool.
Try a small piece.
Okay, here I go.
How is it?
It's not bad. It's crunchy and cool.
That's great.
I like it. Can I have more?
I'm so happy.
I get a green sticker. I have 4 stickers now.
You are doing amazing.
What is today's color?
You can choose.
Blue?
Blueberries?
Yes, please. Are they really blue?
Dark blue, almost purple.
They are very small.
Yes, but full of flavor.
Okay, here goes. Wow, so sweet, like little candies.
Natural candy.
I love these.
Blueberries are superfoods.
What does that mean?
It means very, very healthy.
I want them every day. Only 2 more days.
You are almost done.
I want to try broccoli.
Really?
Yes, I am brave now.
That is very brave.
We can roast it.
What does roast mean?
It means we cook it in the oven.
And we will add cheese.
I love cheese.
Everything is better with cheese.
Okay, let's try it.
First, wash the broccoli.
It looks like little trees.
You're right. Now we will cut it.
Into small pieces?
Yes, bite-sized pieces.
I will help you.
Now add olive oil and a little salt.
Like this?
Perfect, Zoya.
Time for the oven, 20 minutes.
Then we eat it?
Then we add cheese.
5 more minutes with cheese.
I can't wait!
It's ready now.
It smells good.
The cheese melted perfectly.
Try a piece.
Okay, here I go.
Well,
It's delicious!
Really?
The cheese is so good, and the broccoli is soft and tasty.
I'm so proud of you.
Can I have more?
eat as much as you want.
I can't believe it. I like broccoli now.
That's wonderful.
I was wrong before.
Sometimes we need to try things.
I understand now. Today is the last day.
You did very well.
I ate all the colors.
Look at your chart.
Wow, so many stickers.
You tried everything.
And I liked most things.
What was your favorite?
Blueberries.
And what surprised you?
That I like broccoli. Do I get my prize now?
Yes, you do.
Close your eyes.
Okay, they're closed.
Now open them.
A cookbook
A kid's cookbook.
with pictures?
Lots of colorful pictures.
Can we cook from it?
That's the idea. There's more.
A chef's hat and an apron.
For me?
Yes, just your size.
I look like a real chef. Thank you so much.
You earned it.
Can we cook now?
What do you want to make?
Something with many colors.
How about a rainbow salad?
A salad with many colorful vegetables.
Yes, let's make it.
I will get the vegetables.
I will wash them.
I will cut them.
Teamwork.
Red tomatoes.
Orange carrots.
Yellow peppers.
Green cucumbers.
Purple cabbage.
Wow, a real rainbow.
This looks beautiful.
I can't wait to eat it.
Food always tastes better.
When we make it together.
It's time to eat our food.
It looks so pretty.
Like art on a plate.
Can I take a picture for my food diary?
That is a great idea.
Okay, let's eat now.
How does it taste?
Amazing!
Which part do you like best?
I like all of it,
Even the green parts?
especially the green parts.
You changed so much.
in just 1 week.
We are very proud of you.
I am proud of me too. Can we do another challenge?
That is a wonderful idea.
Thank you for the challenge.
You're welcome.
I learned many things.
What did you learn?
I learned that new foods can be yummy.
That is true.
I also learned that colors are important.
Different colors have different vitamins.
So I will grow big and strong?
Yes, exactly.
I want to keep eating healthy food.
That makes us very happy.
No more only chicken nuggets?
You can eat them sometimes.
But not every day?
Not every day.
Today was a good day.
Yes, it was a great day.
I tried many new things.
You were very brave.
I was not brave at first.
But you became brave.
You helped me.
Yes, we helped each other.
I love cooking now.
We love cooking with you.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, little chef.